Hey guys, it's Ryan with Ground Up, the ultimate source for high quality detailing and restoration parts. On this week's product spotlight, we're checking out the Dakota Digital HDX system for your 70-72 Chevelle or El Camino with the SS style dash. This bolt-in instrument package boasts 6 analog gauge sweeps coupled with a pair of TFT message center displays. Original locations for turn signal, high beam, and brake indicators are updated with LEDs for long life and easy readouts. The best part, this system screws directly into your original or reproduction gauge carrier with no modifications. Available in your choice of black or silver alloy gauge face styling, each HDX system allows the user to select independent illumination colors for the gauge readings and needles, as well as the message centers matching any vehicle theme. Calibration and preloaded settings are manipulated with the built-in buttons, or customized even further with the available Bluetooth app for Apple and Android devices. With the central control box, installation is greatly simplified with vehicle harness source signals and supplied solid-state sending units connecting cleanly to their respective terminals. The HDX system is available for a variety of makes and models. Check out www.ss396.com for more details, or visit Dakota Digital on their YouTube page or their website. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you on the road.